Test number 24, part 1. See question number 46. In question number 46, what is given? The solution of methylamine. This compound is methylamine. As we know, methylamine is CH3NH2. So basically, due to lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom, so it is basic in nature. And we know that since methylamine is basic in nature, so base turns litmus paper. The color of litmus paper changes from red to blue. So color of litmus paper will change from red to blue when we added methylamine, because methylamine is basic in nature. So question number 46, option B is correct. See question number 47. Question number 47. Question number 47 is basically product obtained when two rings are there of benzene. On one nitrogen atom is attached and on another ring C double bond O group is attached. As we can see that lone pair of electron makes it plus M and C double bond makes it minus M. And we know that electrophile in this reaction is concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 will generate electrophile NO2 plus. So it will generate electrophile NO2 plus. And plus M ring favor electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophile will attack according to plus M group. So electrophile will attack at para position with respect to nitrogen atom. So para position is this one. So the product form will be according to this NH. At para position NO2 will attack and rest will remain same. So this is the major product. Question number 47, option D is correct. See question number 48. Question number 48 is based on the basic nature of which of the following compound is most basic. So which of the following compound is most basic? See question number 48. Four compounds are given. As we can see that in aniline, this lone pair of electron involve in resonance. Therefore, electron density decreases on nitrogen atom. And the compound here is benzylamine. This is benzylamine. As this lone pair of electron do not involve in resonance. And we know that arylamine less basic than alkyl arylamine. So basically, as electron density on nitrogen atom is more in this compound, when NH2 group is attached with benzene ring, electron density on nitrogen atom decreases. Therefore, benzylamine is most basic. This compound is benzylamine. So benzylamine is most basic compound, which is given in option B. Question number 48, option B is correct. See question number 49. In question number 49, what is given there? See question number 49. Amines are basic in nature. Correct statement. Amines are basic in nature. As nitrogen atom has electron density. So region is due to presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. So this statement is also correct. Assertion is correct. Amines are basic in nature and due to presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. So both assertion and region are correct, and region is a correct expression of assertion. So question number 49, option A is correct. See question number 50. Question number 50, what is given there? See question number 50. Question number 50. In question number 50, the sequence of reaction. First compound given there is benzene, CH2, C double bond O, NH2, and COOCH3. In first step, the reagent is Br2. Okay, so this reaction is called Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Now this CO group will remove after reaction. So the first compound form is CH2, NH2, and C double bond O, OCH3. Now the nitrogen atom having lone pair of electron, and this carbon has partial positive charge. So intramolecular reaction will take place. Now this nitrogen atom lone pair will attack on this carbon atom, and ring will form, and ring of 5 member will be formed. So ring will be like that. It forms a ring CH2, N carrying positive charge, NH2. Now NH attached with C double bond O group, and this group will remove as a leaving group. Now positive charge on nitrogen is unstable, so H plus will eliminate. So the final product will be this one, C double bond O, CH2, NH. So question number 50, option C is correct. 50, option C is correct. See question number 51. In question number 51, what is given there? See question number 51. Question number 51. Question number 51 is basically when aliphatic primary amine, that is RNH2, reacts with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, it forms RNC, and this substance is foul smelling substance, and this reaction is called carbylamine test. And this compound is known as alkyl isocyanide. So question number 51, option D is correct. See question number 52. In question number 52, what is given there? See question number 52. In alkyl cyanide is RC triple bond N. This is alkyl cyanide. And the question is alkyl group attached with, as we can see, this alkyl group attached with carbon atom. In alkyl cyanide. So question number 52, option A is correct. See question number 53. Question number 53. Question number 53 is basically CH3CN. CH3CN is known as acetonitrile because, as we know that CH3CN on complete hydrolysis gives acetic acid. therefore it is called acetonitrile. So question number 52, 53 option B is correct. See question number 54. Question number 54 again easy question asked in JEE Mains 2019. Ethylamine can be obtained from N-ethyl phthalimide. We know that phthalimide compound is basically C double bond O, C double bond O, both are connected to nitrogen atom, and ethyl group is present on the nitrogen atom. On hydrolysis, H3O plus. On hydrolysis, it gives, basically the question is which of the following will give this. As we can see that H3O plus we can use there, so hydrolysis in place of H3O plus we can use. Also we can use here that is hydrazine. Also we use there hydrazine. So on reaction with hydrazine, the compound will convert into ethylamine, that is C2H5NH2. So one product will be this one, and the another product will be byproduct, that is C double bond O, NH. So this will be the byproduct. So question number 54, hydrogen is used, option D is correct as per the NT answer key. See question number 55. Question number 55 is basically, see question number 55, the compound which gives oily nitrosamine on reaction with nitrous acid. This is nitrous acid basically at low temperature. As we know, in 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine. In 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine, only 2 degree amine only 2 degree amine on reaction with nitrous acid. 2 degree amine on reaction with nitrous acid, which is HNO2, produces yellow oily compound called nitrosamine. So as per the option, 2 degree amine is given in CH3NH, and nitrogen is connected to 2 carbons, so it is 2 degree amine. Question number 55 option C is correct. See question number 56. In question number 56, sequence of reactions are given. Question number 56. Question number 56, as we know that when this compound reacts with Br2 in presence of FeBr3, so electrophile will be Br plus, as this is plus H group, so at ortho position Br will attack because para position is blocked here. So at ortho position Br will attack. Now the reaction will SnHCl. This is reducing agent. So NO2 group will reduce into aniline. So the reaction will be CH3 Br, and this compound will change into NH2 after reduction. Now again, next reagent is diazoxide salt reaction, NaNO2 plus HCl. Now this will change into diazoxide salt. So the CH3 Br will remain same, and this compound will change into diazoxide salt, N2 plus and Cl minus. See, after that Sandmeyer reaction takes place. So copper bromide added in presence of HBr. So Br will attack in place of N2Cl. So the product form will be CH3 Br, and at this position Br will attack. So Question number 56, option B is correct. See question number 57. Question number 57 is molecular formula of chloropicrin. See question number 57. Question number 57 is basically molecular formula of chloropicrin. As we know, chloropicrin is tear gas. Chloropicrin is tear gas, or we also called var gas. The molecular formula is CCl3.NO2. CCl3.NO2. So question number 57, option D is correct. See question number 58. Question number 58. Question number 58 is basically which of the following group is azo group. As we know that nitrogen double bonded group is known as azo group. So question number 58, while CONH is amide group. So question number 58, option B is correct. See question number 59. Question number 59, again based on the memory based question. See question number 59. The refluxing of this compound, which is CS3 twice and COCS3 with acid gives, as we can see that when this compound CS3 and CS3 reacts with C double bond O CS3. So reaction with HCl, bond will break from here. Bond will break from this side, and the compound as HCl with hydrolysis. So water will attack. So two hydrogen atom will attach to this position, and OH group will lie on this carbon atom. So product form will be CS3 NH CS3 and plus CS3 COOH. So refluxing with acid, it gives one product is secondary amine and second product is acetic acid. So question number 59, option C is correct. See question number 60. In question number 60, what is given there? Reaction is given and we have to find a product in the following steps. See question number 60. Question number 60. Question number 60 is basically when aniline reacts with diazinon salt reagent. So NaNO2 plus HCl is added. It will form diazinon salt, that is N2 plus Cl minus. Now in reaction with, at this compound we may write as this one N triple bond N and Cl minus. So this compound will react, or we may also write this compound as N2Cl. Now this compound will react with the given compound, which is NCS3 CS3. Now hydrogen of this reacts with HCl, so HCl will removal of HCl, and the product form is, after removal of HCl, the product form is this one, N double bond N CS3 CS3. This is called para dimethyl, as para position has two methyl groups, and this group is azo. Para dimethyl and amino is also present. Amino, para dimethyl amino azobenzene, and the color of this compound is butter yellow. So C compound is this one. Question number 60, option B is correct. Option B is correct.